Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today it's Labor Day, so special occasion. Everybody's off from work. And you know, this Labor Day is just a little bit different from the rest of them. So many people now are working out of their homes, working remotely, but it's still a day we celebrate because we're all still getting work out. Now here at WireCrafters, we continue to manufacture here in our facility. Most of our office staff is still coming in, and we're doing everything from the mask to all the cleaning, and that way we can keep the doors open and keep everything going. So with this Labor Day, we'd like to celebrate everyone, all the hard-working people that makes this country the way it is. And we've got a lot going on, and we appreciate everything you're doing. Keep us in mind when you need a tool crib. And if you need to go to WireCrafters.com, please do so. Hit the resource tab. You can find all the information about all of our products, everything that we do, and have a safe holiday. And we'll see you in a couple weeks.